Hey, Pumpkin. Hey, Pumpkin. How you doing, Pumpkin? Huh? How's it going? Huh? Alright, Pumpkin. I'll see you later. Don't follow me, Pumpkin. Looks like you can use a treadmill, Pumpkin. Huh? Okay. I'll see you later. No, don't follow me. Don't follow me.